made it to our door. We did it, Bo Buddies! We creeped past the fox in his flower shop. We made it through thanks to you. Bo Boogie time! You boogie too! Let's see what kind of boogie you can do. Come on, Bo Buddies! Boogie with me! A doozy boogie, Bo Buds. The second door.
A hummingbird.
A really big and heavy-looking hummingbird. That'll be something to see. Locked. We need another flying key. Will you help me again? Bo go great! Stand very tall. Tall as a tree. Tippy-toes tall. Stretch. Stretch with me to catch a key. As tall as you can. Reach out your hands. And jump. Yes! Got it. Thanks, Bo Buds. The hummingbird door we go.
Let's go. Oh, pretty garden.
But look, some of these flowers have been picked. I bet the Stuffy Sniffler did it.
Yeah.
Bo Buddies, we have to get to our last door so we can save all the flowers in the world. Do you see the door?
Look, there it is.
Come on, gotta stay on the go.
Hey, hummingbirds.
The biggest, heaviest looking hummingbirds I've ever seen. Why won't these bulging birds let us pass?
Welcome to the garden of the heavy hummingbirds. These hummingbirds have been drinking lots of nectar today before the Stuffy Sniffler can take the rest of their flowers away. They've drunk so much they're too heavy to fly, so they need your help to get back to their nest way up high. Use those magic flower petals to help you reach the sky.
Help the heavy hummingbirds get way up there to their nest? How will we ever do that?
To help the hummingbirds get up to their nest, you'd better choose an Animove.
Animoves.
Bo Buddies, can you help me choose an Animove? Which animal should we move like to use the magic flower petals and fly high? A flapping bat? A crawling critter? A digging gopher?
A flapping bat. I like that.
To help the heavy hummingbirds get up to their nest, we have to flap, flap, flap like a bat.
Look at me.
Desi's happening with his bat flapping. Let's all be flapping bats, too. Still in your bow zone? Yay! When I count to 3, flap with me. 1, 2, 3. Flap! Flap your arms. Spread your bat wings wide. Flap them up and down so we can fly to the sky. Flap like a bat. Yes! Whoa! Careful, Dizzy Desi. Come on, Bo Buds. Flap your arms. That works best. Let's get these hummingbirds up to their nest. Let's see you flap too. Phew! All the Because flapping makes me feel like napping. Uh-oh! Low energy. Flap with me, Bow Buddies. When you move with me, you give me energy. You make my power band glow when you get on the go. Keep flapping. Yes! You're really helping me. I can feel your energy. Maximum boat power! Just a few more flaps. Yes! We did it, Bow Buddies! We helped the heavy hummingbirds back to their nest. Good work. We made it through thanks to you. Bow Boogie time. You boogie too. Let's see what kind of boogie you can do. Boogie, Bow Buddies. Boogie. Beautiful boogie, Bow Buds. Whoa! What a super sneeze! Look! A supersized hanky to blow a supersized nose. You should hang on to that, Desi. You never know. We might just need it on the go. The third door!
Look! The Stuffy Sniffler.
It's not locked. Come on, Bow Buddies. Time to stop that Stuffy Sniffler from taking all the flowers in the whole world. Whoa! Bow Buddies, look at all the flowers. Can you guess who lives here?
Oh, look!
The Stuffy Sniffler. Poor little guy. He must be really stuffed up if he can't smell all these flowers. If only we could help unstuff his nose. Then he'd be able to smell the flowers he has and not take everyone else's.
This!
No thanks, Desi. I don't need to blow my nose. But the Stuffy Sniffler sure looks like he does. And a supersized nose, I suppose, could really use a supersized hanky. Desidor Dragon, you're both brilliant. Give it a go. Watch this, Bow Buds.
Whoa! Big blow!
Look, Bow Buddies. The Stuffy Sniffler's nose is shrinking. He can smell all the flowers he has now.
He won't have to take everyone else's.
And the Stuffy Sniffler sniffed happily ever after. Well, Desi, they took a while to grow, but we have flowers in our flower pots again.
Oh, they smell pretty.
We really got on the go today, Bow Buddies. We saved all the flowers in the whole world. Thanks to you. Are you still in your bow zone? Let's do one more bow boogie. The bow boogiest boogie of them all. We made it through, thanks to you. Bow boogie time, you boogie too. Let's see what kind of boogie you can do. Boogie on, Bow Buddies. And remember, keep moving and